Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to use a manual milk pump in a simple and comfortable way for beginners. A manual pump is a popular choice for many mothers because it is lightweight, easy to carry, and simple to use during daily routines or travel. Before starting, always wash your hands properly and make sure all pump parts are clean and assembled correctly. Good hygiene is very important for safe milk collection. Next, choose a calm and comfortable place where you can relax. Sitting comfortably with proper support often makes the session easier and smoother. Before using the pump, some mothers gently massage the area for a short time. This may help support smoother flow during the session. Now, place the manual pump correctly and begin pressing the handle slowly and gently. Try not to pump too fast in the beginning. A slow and steady rhythm usually feels more comfortable and natural. In the beginning, the flow may take a few minutes to start, and that is completely normal. Staying relaxed and patient often helps the body respond more naturally. As the session continues, try to maintain a comfortable rhythm instead of using too much pressure. Gentle and consistent movements usually work better than very fast pumping. If something feels uncomfortable, pause for a moment and adjust the position or rhythm. Small adjustments can make the experience much easier. After finishing, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and store it properly if needed. Cleaning all pump parts after every use is another very important step. Wash them properly, allow them to dry completely, and store them in a clean place for the next session. With practice and consistency, using a manual pump becomes easier and more comfortable over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.